Most common instrument used to see red reflex or the fundal reflex is ophthalmoscope. It's non-invasive examination method used to detect abnormalities in visual axis or the optical media. In order to know what is red reflex or the fundal reflex, you should know and see my videos on ophthalmoscope, its parts and function. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Luqman. My subspecialty is corneal transplant surgery. I am a refractive surgeon. At the end of this video, you should be knowing normal red reflex, other names of red reflex, causes of dull or abnormal red reflex, findings of negative or absent red reflex, what is photo red or glow. You should also see my video on fundoscopy and the red reflex. शुरू में मैं आपको कुछ केस दिखा रहा हूँ. Shake your brain, what comes in your mind. Photo red is red eye effect that can be taken with photograph or with the help of smartphone in a flash photography. नॉर्मल रेड रिफ्लेक्स इस तरह का नज़र आता है. क्योंकि ऑप्थेल्मोस्कोप पे गैजेट लगा के देखा जा सकता है, तो उस गैजेट से बिल्कुल इस तरह का नॉर्मल रेड रिफ्लेक्स नहीं आ रहा, तो आपको इस तरह का अप्रिशिएट होगा. Get ready to see the findings and see what comes in your mind. During the video, I will let you know the findings. Can you appreciate this finding? What comes in your mind? What comes if you are having a refractive error? What is this? And what is this? Can you appreciate the fundal glow? What else you can see in the fundal glow? What are these findings? What is this? Oh, that's very unusual finding. That's the common finding. नॉर्मल फंडोस्कोपी पे आपको ये क्या नज़र आ रहा है? राइट आई एंड द लेफ्ट आई. कॉर्नियल ट्रांसप्लांट, ग्राफ्ट के स्टिच आप टाइट और लूज का अंदाज़ा भी लगा सकते हैं. ट्रेबेकुलेक्टमी, peripheral iridotomy, blue lens opacity and the red pupil margin. Can you appreciate any lens opacities? These are the cortical changes. This is nuclear sclerosis. ये जूम इन किया जाए तो इसमें वैक्यूलर कैटरेक्ट, और अगर जूम आउट किया जाए इसी को तो इसमें कॉर्टिकल कैटरेक्ट. पोस्टीरियर सबकैप्सुलर कैटरेक्ट इन डायबिटिक पेशेंट. Red is pupil margin while yellow is anterior capsular margin. Blue and white are the PCOs, that's Elschning pulse and the bladder cells. Can you appreciate vitreous floaters? Fine floaters and the vitreous opacities. Can you appreciate these circles, symmetrical circles? Posterior capsular rupture and deposits on the lens. Posterior subcapsular and vacuolar cataract. Green indicates anterior capsular margin, yellow bladder cells or PCO, while red PCO dimensions. This is the green. Pupil peaking, what other two findings you can appreciate in this? Yellow posterior cynic, blue vitreous and red anterior capsular margins. And this is fovea centralis, FAC, and this is optic disc. Red reflex, fundal reflex और fundal glow lighter skin में usually red और orange होता है and symmetrical across both eyes. Darker skin में it can appear yellow, green or blue. Is a vital part of eye examination and a screening tool in neonates, infants and children at every office visit. Can tell you abnormalities that requires referral to an ophthalmologist. For sight-threatening pathology like cataract or life-threatening pathology as retinoblastoma. Common causes of absent red reflex like corneal opacity, hyphema, cataract or vitreous hemorrhage. Normal, dull or with a special finding like keratoconus, PCO, retinal detachment.